Are you looking for a mashed cauliflower recipe that is full of fresh herbs and roasted garlic? A low-carb, keto, and vegan cauliflower mash that tastes just as good as mashed potatoes but is so much healthier for you. Hey there, I'm London Brazil from EvolvingTable.com, where you'll learn how to make nourishing meals for your loved ones. And that healthy recipe today is this roasted garlic mashed cauliflower. With the holiday season just around the corner, having a few healthy alternatives to the traditional dishes can be an absolute lifesaver. And while I love me some good old-fashioned mashed potatoes, sometimes you just want the taste and the flavor without all of the additional carbs and calories. A few years ago, I stumbled across what is known as mashed cauliflower. And y'all, it is so good, and hardly anybody even notices that they're missing that starchy potato. So if you're ready to get to cauliflower mashing, come on in and let's get started. We'll first start off by preparing the cauliflower. Cut one large head into florets, and then add the cauliflower to a pot of boiling water. Boil cauliflower for 10 to 12 minutes and drain excess water. Place cauliflower on a towel and dry cauliflower completely before proceeding. Next, we'll be pureeing the cauliflower. The best kitchen utensil to use for this is a large 10 to 12 cup food processor. While a high-speed blender can be used, you will have to keep a close eye on it so you do not end up with mashed cauliflower that is too liquidy. So let's just go ahead and stick with the food processor today. Add cauliflower to the bowl of the food processor along with 1/4 cup of milk. Almond and cashew milk work great. And 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we'll be adding all of our seasoning ingredients. Fresh rosemary and thyme will both be used in this mashed cauliflower recipe. However, you can also use fresh basil, sage, or dried herbs instead. But since we're sticking with the original recipe today, we'll finely chop the fresh rosemary and thyme. And add 1½ teaspoons of each to the processor, along with 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, and 1 pinch of black pepper. And last but not least, that roasted garlic. If you don't know how to roast garlic, you can learn how at the video up here. Add 3 to 4 cloves of roasted garlic to the food processor. Cover processor with a lid and puree cauliflower for 1 to 2 minutes or until it is completely smooth. Be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl every 20 to 30 seconds to ensure it is evenly pureed. You'll know it is done processing when it reaches the consistency of mashed potatoes. If you would like to meal prep this mashed cauliflower recipe ahead of time, either for a busy week or that holiday gathering, simply put it in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours. On the day of serving, add it to a medium-sized pot over medium-low heat. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until it is heated through. Serve mashed cauliflower with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Wasn't that so simple and easy to make? And much healthier for you than the regular old mashed potatoes. And now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. You know, just to double check that it's good enough for the hubby tonight for dinner. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think your friends and family are going to even be able to notice that this is actually mashed cauliflower and not mashed potatoes. Cole is going to be so pumped when he gets home from work and sees that this is on the menu tonight.
Dang, that's good. I'm gonna go in for another bite. So full of herbs. Herbs. I love herbs.
If you liked what you saw here today, make sure you check out these other healthy cauliflower recipes. And don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another nourishing meal to serve your loved ones. See you again soon.